Today we will show you the new True BCM2 reading by PolDiag. We have already connected the BCM2 to the programmer off camera. Now let's start reading process. This method provides true reading with full data without erasing or reflashing. You also won't need to collect any additional data. This way is safe and fast. Once the reading is done, it has to save the file for BCM2. Then we can open it, verify data, and start editing whatever we want. As you can see, there is VIN number, CRC, and dump error status, along with ELV state. You can verify BCM2 file with current MCU coding. It takes only a few seconds. Let me show you how quickly it is to do ELV off this way. Click one button, wait for server to process, save new file. That's it. Now you have a modified file with your edits. Now we can proceed to writing process. The locked MCU will fully erase the data, but don't worry. It has everything in the file. You won't need to reconfigure anything. Now we will check the written data on the BCM2 module. That's why I will read it once again. After reading, it always saves the file. We shall save it and then open to check the data. Take a look. Now the ELV state is off. The rest of the data was not changed, so it is exactly the same. You can also verify once again the BCM2 file with current data on MCU to be sure. Everything is fine. The process was quick and easy. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.